taking you guys on a mission to clear this condition. I don't know what it is, but like a week ago, I started feeling like I need to drink some tea. Yesterday, I had some kasoi soup, and obviously that wasn't spicy enough or herbally enough. So now I'm on my way to Roots Juice, and I'm gonna go get me some turmeric, some kind of delight. And after that, I have another place to show you. Anyways, come along for the ride now, yeah?
So it's sort of like watching the live from the beginning, but then you like seeing involved something we know what's going on and the deal with it. So we can do later on we take it next and just go to the clickbait, see what's top 5 or 6, hit on, run really pipeline, streams on it,
I really like ways my so like considering on the lease is the most getting to see the actual being run. That's really cool. To actually be able to see,
thanks for nailed it.
Yeah. You should go
Hey guys.
We were just, I mean like big stuff. Good to see you. Fun.
Woo! So I've been eating out a lot since like March, and it's because my living situation hasn't been great. It changed. So now that I've accomplished some things this summer and we're going into fall, I'm gonna start doing the things I used to do, like buying groceries. I'm gonna start cooking with olive oil again and not going out so much, but I definitely like going out. But there's something more special about going home and sizzling up some onions and garlic and making your own soups and stuff and using your own organic bone broth and knowing exactly what kind of water and ingredients you're using in the food. Because lately I've been going out to eat thinking, if I eat the soup, if I do that, if I do this, I'm gonna feel better. But I don't feel that great. So definitely if you have a juicer at home or something, or if you have like your own cooking supplies, definitely cook at home and just prepare all your stuff at home, because your body will thank you. You'll feel much better. So on to the next place. All right, so now I went to Orchard Nutrition and I got me the Synergy Raw Kombucha Unity Cherry Coconut Lemongrass flavor. And I got this one because I felt the energy. I felt good energy from it. It just felt like really cool. It's got music symbols. It's holding hands with other people, blue and red colors. And my hair's blue. I didn't even, I just felt gravitated towards this. And this one has cherry juice, coconut, lemongrass, and vanilla. And it's got 30-day ferments of kombucha culture, black tea, green tea, and kiwi juice. So they seem to use a lot of kiwi juice and green tea and black tea. These people, the Summer Edition GT's company. There we are. It has a comforting scent of like vanilla, and also has a scent of flower, so it's probably the lemongrass. And what I love about GT's is that it has like about 1 billion organisms. 1 billion organisms. Probiotics of Bacillus, Coagulus, and 4 billion S. burlardi, and 4 billion lactobacillus bacterium. And it's very good to have bacteria in your body, because bacteria helps fight bad bacteria. So it's very good. So I'm off to make soup. I bought some fennel, some fresh fennel. I got some garlic. There's plenty of kale and onions at the house. And I'm gonna make myself a juice. I'm gonna go to a meat market and get some type of steak. And I'm gonna use lots of onions, and I'm gonna sizzle it with some really good brand new virgin olive oil. And I'm heading over to Costco to get some bone broth. Time to make some good food. Also, in the meantime, this is my breakfast, the trail mix, with all the mixes that are not in there, just a mix of everything. It looks like a lot of candy, actually. I should be eating it. It said it has raw almonds, but I swear they're not raw. They've been They've been cooked. I should have been eating this. It's like pure candy. I should reach in here when I need some sugar. I'm a big fat cashew. Wow, people, do yourself a favor, and if you're feeling sick or anything, like, take care of it right away. Like, take your turmeric, your ginger, take wheatgrass, take crabgrass, rinse your stuff, eat lots of onions, take anise, take fennel, eat sweet potatoes, make soup, eat spicy stuff. Go into a sauna, sweat like crazy, get in the sun, like cough, get all that nasty stuff, phlegm out of your chest, drink lots of hot tea, take hot showers, pound on your chest. Like, just take good care of yourself and pray for good things to happen. Thankfully, my daughter's dad gave me a bag of lemons, and I was forgetting that today, and I remembered suddenly. And whew, I still have a bruise from days ago when I fell. Oh my gosh, life is crazy. So take good care of yourself. Get weekly massages, get monthly massages. For goodness sakes, just take care of your guys' selves, your minds, your bodies, your spiritual, your physical, and who knows what the astral body is, but take care of that too, somehow. Figure it out. Talk to you later. I'm gonna go make some soup now. El lugarcito donde mi mamita cocinaba todas las veces. Aquí estoy, donde ella se paraba. Ok, voy a probar esta sopa. Delicioso, necesita más sal. Ahí está mi té.